Hey, what is up everyone? Here is how to check your PIN in Roblox. Now, say for example, you have forgotten your PIN and you want to be able to get that back. Here is how to do it. First things first, here in the Roblox page, what you're going to do is just tap on this one right here, and then we're going to go ahead and look for the option Help and Safety. So once we are here, just go ahead and tap the help center in here, and then we're going to go ahead and type a PIN. And if you're going to scroll down under Roblox account settings, you should have the option here, I forgot the PIN. So click that over there. So from this point forward, you should be able to see here, customer support will need to assist with resetting forgotten pins. Now to reach, you can go ahead and click this over here, and then you can go ahead and answer everything that is needed here. So you have the first name, your email address, and then you're going to go ahead and look for the issue details here. So just click this, and I'm having a problem on my PC, and then we're going to go ahead and choose can't log in here. Basically we're going to choose account PIN. So from this point forward, just go ahead and tell them that you have forgotten your PIN and that you need help in recovering this one. So after doing that one, they should reach out to the email that you have typed here, forgotten or related to your account, and that is how you're going to solve this one. Now you need to remember though that in doing so, you are going to require to prepare proof that you are the account owner, and that everybody is how you are going to get this done.